kinikilig ng bonggang-bongga ngayon. At dahil dyan, ano ang pinaka-excite ninyo dito sa movie Under Parallel Sky?
Yung collaboration, yung tambalan ni Janela at saka ni...
Superstar! Please welcome Win! That's a win! Together with a very versatile actress, Janela Salvador! Ayan ang once again! Ayan na! Janelle Superstar! Win! That's a win! Together with the best actress, Miss Janela Salvador! Ayan, syempre mayroon muna ng microphone, ano? Hello, Janela and Win! Hi muna tayo sa audience!
Good evening, everyone!
Hi everyone, mabuhay.
So, hindi po na talaga napakaraming nagmamahal sa inyo. Kita-kita ngayong gabi na sumusuporta.
We're very, very thankful sa lahat ng nandito ngayon. Sobrang excited kami na mapanood niyo yung pinaghirapan naming film. Sana ma-enjoy niyo. Sana maiyak kayo.
Yes.
Sana ma-in-love kayo.
Yes, of course. Well, how does it feel that there are a lot of Filipinos out here that support you, your movie?
I just want to say thank you and please support our film. I think you will like it.
Ayan. And Janela, ano naman ang kaabangan namin? Ano ang kakaiba dito sa movie Under Parallel Skies?
Naku, marami kaming pasabog ni Wen sa movie na to. Kaya, panoorin nyo na lang para malaman niyo yung mga pasabog namin.
Yes, of course, Win na talaga namang ang dami rin mga tumatawag sa kanya ng bonggang-bongga. So Win, can you please invite the audience to please support your movie?
Yeah, sure. I think this film like got everything, romance, drama, comedy, everything. I think you will enjoy this film. So please support our film.
Of course, Miss Janela, invite niyo po sila na talaga namang supportahan ang inyong movie na showing na tomorrow.
Yes, mga kababayan, maraming salamat sa suporta ninyo. Ramdam na ramdam namin yung love. Maraming salamat dahil you made time for us tonight. And sana yung suporta na nararamdaman namin ngayon ay maramdaman din namin bukas pag nag-showing kami sa mga cinema.
Sunod! Yan na, sunod!
Sana ma-enjoy niyo yung film.
Of course, ayan. Ako maraming salamat. And may we now call on our press friends from GMA, TV5, and ABS-CBN to please proceed dito sa stage for the interview with Janela and Win. Ayan. Of course, yung mga friends din natin from press, media friends, pwede rin natin mag-picture with Win and Janela. Thank you so much, Janela and Win. Ayan, support natin ang kanilang movie. At eto na ang mga friends natin from the press. Ayan. For the interview.
Pasunod!
Natin dito, ano, support. Don't forget, meron ito hashtag Under Parallel Sky. Once again, please, Eva
Excited for everyone to see. So hopefully, ma-enjoy
Ayan. At pasok-pasok na po kayo sa loob daw. Sa lahat ng mga meron pong ticket.
Yeah, I have.
What did you say?
First of all, I say please come to watch my movie. That's the first thing you have to do.
Overall, how was your Filipino working experience?
So very good, very nice. You know, it was like a dream come true really for me. You know, I always dreamed of working with an Filipino actress or like
You know, we know you guys are big, but we didn't know your setting was remote and you had to ride a boat. And Direct Sigrid was telling us fans even rode boats to see you guys. Can you tell us about that during the last
Yeah, we took a boat
something that I really want to share. But anyways, that's it. I don't know. I'm lost for words. Again, thank you guys so much. I can't wait to show you guys this. And hopefully, like what Christoph said, we can do more cross-country collaboration. I don't know what country we should do next. I don't know, but first of all, let's focus on this. Let's make this a successful Filipino film. At the end of the day, our whole creative team are Filipino. And at the end of the day, also, Win and I remember Win also did one of his interviews saying that he wants to bring Thai content or Asian content to the world. So I believe this is a collaboration that is perfect for all of us. And of course, Janela, thank you guys so much. Janela, thank you so much also for doing this project, Win. And of course, GMM TV also, thank you for doing this with us. And of course, our venue, SM Mega Mall, thank you for having this space with us. And this is such a huge, huge space. And I can't believe that we really filled this up. More than 695 people actually said yes to our confirmation. So again, thank you so much. Okay, I am running out of breath. Let's sit back, relax, and enjoy the film. But of course, before that, let's hear it from very important people such as Direk Sigrid, Janela Salvador. But next, and of course, Win meant to win. But let's hold on to that. Let's have Direk Sigrid, everybody.
Yeah!
Good evening, Win and Janela. You have your microphones. Janela, your microphone. Of course, you want to greet our fans and friends here in Cinema 3, Win and Janela.
It's okay.
Hi guys, thank you for being here.
Good evening, everyone. Thank you so much for being here with us to watch our film. I'm so nervous. I'm stuttering. We hope you enjoy the film.
Thank you so much. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga kasama natin dito. Again, hindi natin papatagalin when we call on again our producers and our director for one quick photo op and then we'll proceed with the film. Ayan, so punta muna kayo dito.
Wait, sorry.
Yes, Janelle.
Gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa lahat ng nandito tonight. Of course, to our fans, Win's fans, Janela Stairs, Josh Nella, Jay Nellas, you're all present and we really appreciate your presence tonight. And of course, most especially to our family, our friends from the industry. And gusto ko rin mag-thank you sa production. And to Direk Sigrid, to Win, thank you so much. We worked so hard on this film. We've been through so much. And we're finally here. And we hope you all enjoy the film and we hope that it touches you.
Okay? A quick photo. This is our official.
Hello, Vin! Hello, Vin! Hello, Vin! What's your reaction? Congratulations! Janela, ikaw.
Parang maraming gustong manabunot.
Oh, hi!
Mga batok na sa akin sa lahat. Hi,
Vin, congratulations, Janela! Congrats! Hi, Vin!
Thank you so much.
Hello, Vin!
Hi, Vin!
Janela, I love you! Bye! Hey, Fred. Bye! Sundan ko na yung mga alaga. Umuwi na kanina pa tayo. Oo, last 9 pa lang umuwi. Inabol niya na may ever. Okay, kids. See you. Bye. Sorry.
Hi, hello. Bye-bye.
Bye, Lex. Ingat kayo.